In this cooking basics video, I'm going to show you how to cook eggs over easy. Really easy to do. Let's get started. Over here at the burner, I'm using a good non-stick pan. This is one of my new favorite pans. It's a green pan and it's a ceramic non-stick pan. I have the heat set right around between medium and medium low. So on mine, it's a number 4. And we're going to let the pan heat up a little bit, and I'm going to use some olive oil here. Give it a nice little squirt of olive oil. I just love little spray bottles like this for olive oil because you don't have to use aerosol. So really cool, and it's reusable, of course. And we'll let that oil heat up a bit. Now we're going to take our egg, and you can crack it in a bowl first if you want, or we'll just put it right here. Crack it and just put it right in the pan. And now what we want to do is we want to cook that white. It's not going to take too long, especially if your pan is already heated up. Maybe about a minute, minute and a half. If you don't want to flip the egg, you could add some water to the pan. And then what you can do is you can just scoop that hot water on top of the egg and that will cook the top. Or you can also put a lid on the top as well. All right, here we go. So most of the egg white is already cooked. All the edges are nice and white. There's a little bit of translucent on the top. That's okay. When we flip it, that's going to get cooked up. I just don't want to cook it too much because then it gets all rubbery. All right, so let's just get our turner, spatula, flip it over, and then we will just go just not very long, just about 10-15 seconds to get this bottom side. Okay. And there we go. Awesome over easy egg. Some pepper. I'm gonna come in here with some salt. And now I could have cooked it a little bit longer. I like the yolk really runny. So I don't like to cook it on the yolk side too long, but you can cook it just a few more seconds. Then you'll have more of a film cooked on the top. There you go, over easy egg. And now, we'll just dive into this. Should be nice and runny yolk, nice. Again, if you want that yolk less runny, just cook it on that yolk side 10-15 more seconds. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. Thumbs up, down in the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.